How to manage CapCut notification settings. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. On the Apps page, tap App Management to view all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list or use the search option to find CapCut, then tap on it to open the app's information page. Here, tap Notifications to access the notification settings for CapCut. To stop receiving notifications from the app, simply turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. Once it's disabled, CapCut will no longer send you alerts or notifications. If you still want to receive certain updates, you can leave notifications enabled and customize the available notification categories, depending on your device. And that's all. You've successfully managed your CapCut notification settings and turned off unwanted notifications in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.